Welcome back to West Coast Solar. Did you know that reducing your energy usage during the holidays can not only save energy, but it can also save you money as well? Check out these handy tips to reduce your energy usage this holiday season. Replace traditional incandescent lights with LED holiday lights. Even though the initial price point for LED lights is slightly higher, they cost less to run when compared to standard C7 and incandescent lights. They are safer and they last longer as well. Using a timer for your home lighting and your holiday lights is efficient and simple. Use a timer to light up your home when traveling or for worry-free holiday lights that turn on and off according to your settings. Energy-efficient gifts are always a hit for people of all ages, from Energy Star certified electronics and appliances to office equipment and batteries. You can help your loved ones save money and the planet with cool energy-efficient gadgets. Lights are a big part of the holidays, which can overwhelm your energy bill, of course. When your tree is lit, turn off other lights in your house and enjoy the ambience of a twinkling tree. Light more candles instead of turning on the lights and enjoy the cozy warmth that they provide for your home. If you're entertaining guests during the holidays, make small changes to stay energy efficient. For instance, turn down the thermostat when you have guests over and provide plenty of warm blankets for overnight guests so you can keep the thermostat at a lower yet comfortable setting. Saving energy during the holidays is not only good for your pocketbook, but also for the planet as well. Be sure to tune in for more handy energy-saving tips from all of us at West Coast Solar. Happy holidays to you and your family.